Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco X3i headphones and today I'm going to show you the top tricks of this device. So the first top trick is that we have noise control and we have noise cancellation and transparency. When we are wearing these headphones, we can manage the noise cancellation strength. Apart from that, in our application, which is HeyMelody application, we have three very nice options. The first one is OPPO Live Audio. If we tap on it, we can see that this is a special audio rendering technology and which creates an immersive sound environment for you when you use supported music, video and game apps. You just can enable it by turning this on. Here we have Enco Master Equalizer, and the equalizer is not the top trick, of course, but we have bass wave. Dynamically boost bass to deliver deep bass with clarity and fidelity. This is the thing that we can turn on and manage it if you want -5 or 5. Apart from that, we have golden sound. Get studio quality sound customized to your ear, canal structure and hearing characteristics. Check our channel to how to do golden sound, but as you can see I did my test records here and this is my record. We can just adjust our equalizer settings to our ears. And the last top trick, the best for me, is that we have game mode. We can sync audio and video and reduce game lag for a smoother experience. Of course, it uses more battery, but who cares? That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!